ain't gon' drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? It must be to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we got a little picnic, the Regionales picnic this weekend. Little girl been making a ticking noise. So I already know what it is. The valves need to be adjusted. Go ahead and try to take care of this real quick. So pull her out the garage, quiet her down a bit. So give me a minute. I know it's over here on this side. Oh, here it is. So we know it's coming from that side over there on passenger side. So a little slap. So we're gonna take the valve cover off. So I tighten it down. Might do both sides, who knows. And knock this out real quick so we ain't having that little slopping knot. Can't be running around. Sound like a hoopty. It's pretty real. I gotta address that elephant in the room. So we're gonna start taking that stuff off and get to her. Alright, so I got a roller rocker set up on mine. So see, we got both sides out. Oil getting burnt in here at one point, or this is where it was sitting for so long. I remember this thing sat in the field for a few years. I've been driving it. It's not the prettiest up in there. We'll get to it though. But anyway, got everything off. You want to make sure, hey, look, safety's paramount. Make sure these wires are away from the assembly and hoses and everything. That's about as far as I can get that hose. It shouldn't be an issue. So, like I said, now we're gonna start it. Oh, hey, by the way, millennial generation and Gen Z and everybody below, hey, make sure you use a 5/8 non-12 point. Don't use 12 point on this. You want to strip them. So don't strip. Don't use 12 point. Use it squared straight through. So let's go ahead and start her up.
little quieter, but there's also a B-band that's over there leaking. That's where most of that noise is coming from. Right there. Gotta find another B-band. I got some in the house somewhere. I just gotta figure out where it's at. So I'm pretty sure that majority of clacking is coming from that side, but she quieted down and woke up a little, so. Get that cam chopping now. This car's cam, no one ever knew that, so. Take her for a test drive, see how she does. Go from there. So, next time, keep it messy.